How to quickly create and publish a Shopify discount code. Here's how to create and activate a discount code in Shopify. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. On the left menu, click Discounts and then hit Create Discount. Choose Discount Code. If you want customers to enter a code at checkout. Now, type your custom code, for example, SAVE10, and select the discount type. From these options, you can choose a percentage or a fixed amount or even free shipping, for example. Under minimum requirements, set any order limits, like minimum purchase amount. Then next, choose customer eligibility and leave it open to all or limit to specific groups. And these options will allow you to control the specific budget you set for this discount. In the usage limits section, decide how many times the code can be used in total or per customer. Then set the active dates. You can launch it right now or schedule it for later so you can prepare your social media posts or ads. And once everything looks good, click Save Discount at the top. Your code is now active if you activated it and ready to use in your store. Thanks for watching.